Hey, what's up guys? It's Mickeydabarber. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I do my 3 to 4 month man bun. Now, of course, I'm going to start off by cutting down the middle part of the hair, creating a guideline for my actual unit. It's going to be up to you whether you want to use some shavers or whether you want to just use your clippers. I'm going to also start off doing my edge up with my white line so I won't go past that line with my glue. Then after that, I'm going to start trimming the hair down, and then I'm going to create the guideline for my fade. All right, I'm back. Now, when you're placing the unit down, you want to make sure that you put it down at least a half an inch to an inch behind the actual line that you created. You want to make sure you give yourself a little wiggle room so the hair will lay on the scalp and you won't see the base of the unit on your edge up. That way it looks a little bit more realistic to the eye. Also, make sure when you're pulling the actual unit to the back, when you're placing it down, you want to make sure that you're actually pulling the sides, and you're pulling it down. You want to make sure that the base is touching all of the scalp and you don't have any air bubbles. Now, this step is definitely optional. I'm actually going ahead and creating this line because to my eye, it looks like it's a little bit more natural when I create this line around the actual unit. Again, this is something that you don't have to do if you think it looks more natural without it. But for me, I like it, so I just add it. Now I'm going to start my edge up. Now sometimes I have experienced where my hair is not laying down completely in the front for me to do my edge up to look as sharp as I wanted to. So what I'll do is I'll go back and I'll add a little bit more adhesive in the front, and then I'll place the hair down on there just to make sure that it's sticking, and then I'll start cutting through with my actual edges. Now, at this point, the haircut looks good. I will add enhancements if I think that the haircut needs it, or if my client just wants it. Sometimes it makes for just a cleaner cut, so I might just go ahead and add the enhancements, and probably throw a design in on the side of this this man bun. All right, guys, this is my finished product. To me, it looked super natural, so I was happy with the results. My model loved it. So if you guys love it, also please like. If you have any questions about this hairstyle, please leave comments. Thank you guys, and I have some more videos for you guys soon. Peace.